Hey guys, MinerJP here and today back for a video. And not long ago, or actually yesterday, locoman06 had tagged me with a Rubik's solve challenge. So basically, he solved his cube in this certain amount of time, and I have to go ahead and try to beat it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and scramble my cube. So I went ahead and scrambled my cube here, and also I went ahead and checked the time. So his time was 41 seconds point 0.53, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to beat the time right now. So I'm gonna use my watch and time myself. So ready, set, go. Oh boy, alright. Here you go, local man. This was my time. 39 seconds and 39 seconds and 50 milliseconds. So yeah, this is my two-handed time. So I beat you, locoman06. Good try though, because I don't normally get 39 seconds in my solve. So that was pretty much it. So this video was not really meant for you guys to really like. It was more of a response video for locoman06, because he tagged me on Rubik's Cube solving challenge and see who's faster. And gratefully for me, or luckily for me, I beat him this time. And so yeah, leave locoman06 channels in this description so you can go check him out. He does some some Rubik's Cube videos and also some Minecraft videos. So yeah, definitely go check him out. So if you like the videos that I produce, please subscribe and really show me some support so I will make more of these videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So until next time guys, this is MinerJP. Peace out.